So Swedish sentences usually follow a pattern that's very similar to English. Subject, verb, and object. Just like in English, you start with who, then what they do, and then what it's about.
Jag studerar svenska. Subject, jag. Verb, studerar. Object, svenska. Hon dricker vatten. Subject, hon. Verb, dricker. Object, vatten. If you stick to subject, verb, and object, you're off to a great start. To turn a statement into a question, we swap the verb and subject. For example, jag är trött. Är jag trött?
What's a pronoun? Pronouns are words we use instead of names, like I, you, he, she, we, they, and so on.
Here are the Swedish subject pronouns. Jag, du, han, hon, den, det, vi, ni, det. In Swedish, verbs don't change much depending on who's doing the action. Example, the verb dansar, which means dance. Jag dansar, du dansar, han, hon dansar, vi dansar, ni dansar, de dansar. One form fits all.
In English, we say a dog or an apple. In Swedish, we use en or ett instead.
But which one? En and ett are called articles, and every noun in Swedish has one. But unlike English, you have to learn which one goes with the word. It's not about vowels or consonants. En, for common gender nouns, N words. Use N with nouns that are common gender, or just N words. These are typically people, animals, or things that are more commonly seen in the masculine or feminine category, though gender in Swedish is a little bit different from English. Ett, for neuter gender nouns, ett words. Use ett with nouns that are neuter gender or just ett words. These are typically things or objects. Examples of N words. En bok, en hund, en stol. Examples of ett words. Ett äpple, ett hus, ett bord. Quick tip. En is used more often than ett in everyday speech. There's no easy rule to know if a noun is en or ett. You just have to memorize them over time. But most people, animals, things are en. Think of it like this. Every noun is either an N word or an et word, and you just have to learn them as you go. Don't worry, most are N words. Rough estimate, about 75% of Swedish nouns are N words. Only 25% are et words. Tip for learners. When learning new vocabulary, always learn the word with its article. Not just bok, but en bok. Not just bord, but ett bord.